All right, 2 times 1 plus 6 times 6 equals what? Multiplication has precedence over addition. Remember the order of operations. Multiplication is first. 2 times 1 is 2. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 plus 36 equals 38. A lot of people answer this incorrectly with an answer of 48, and what they're doing is they're blindly solving left to right. In order to get 48, you would have to put the 2 times 1 and plus 6 inside of parentheses. And that way, you would solve everything inside of the parentheses first. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then the 8 would be multiplied by 6 and give you 48. Now, the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division left to right. Multiplication and division have equal precedence. And they're solved left to right. It's not multiplication before division. And then you have addition and subtraction. If you go through the order of operations, we do not have parentheses, we do not have exponents, we do have multiplication, and we do have addition. So we solve the multiplication first, which gives us the answer of 38 in the end. It's multiplication first and then addition. The only way to get 48 is with parentheses. All right, so the common excuses I hear all the time are, well, it's just left to right with no parentheses. Or the other common one is, this isn't algebra. You only use the order of operations in algebra. Or the really popular one is, back in my day, the answer was 48. No, no, and no. For one thing, this is an equation. 2 times 1 plus 6 times 6 equals question mark. That is how the problem was presented. Anytime you have equality shown with an equal sign, it is called an equation. An expression would not be showing any equality. An expression would not have the equal sign. I can easily replace the question mark with the letter A, which is a variable, which you will find in algebra. So instead of solving for the question mark, let's solve for A, or B, or C, or X, or any other variable that you would use in algebra. Guess what? The order of operations applies to algebraic and non-algebraic expressions and equations. So these are all just excuses. I wish more people would realize that a lot of times when they post incorrect responses to a lot of these things, a lot of you have a handheld device with a really great built-in calculator. Here is one on an Android phone. 2 times 1 plus 6 times 6. Oh my goodness, it's 38. So there it is, right there. And the Android cell phone calculator is already programmed for the order of operations. A lot of people use cheap calculators, dollar store calculators. Those are not able to handle a mixed operations expression. It's not that your answer is correct if you're getting 48. You're just not understanding how your calculator works. And again, like I said before, if I put parentheses around this and then multiply by 6, you would get 48, but you would have to have the 2 times 1 and the plus 6 in parentheses and then multiply that all by 6. So keep in mind, you've got a device right there on your phone, whether you've got an Android or an iPhone, you can check these answers.